Hashtag short, guys. Real quick, y'all remember the 200? I just found the coil and the spark plugs defective on, and I ended up replacing. Well, I just got back off my test drive, verified that the misfire is no longer present. Now guys, I normally don't erase codes until I do the test drive. Now it's time for me to erase the codes. But then while I'm getting ready to erase the code, I noticed this, guys. Okay, that's a lightning bolt. I just did a major tune-up on this car. What's a major tune-up if everything is not updated, right? So let's go into Flash, and what we're gonna find out is there's 2 Flash updates available for this PCM. Let's look at see what they entail. Okay, one is gonna Flash powertrain diagnostic and system improvement, transmission shift improvement. So those are both improvements to the transmission as well as the engine. What's a major tune-up if I'm not going to do that, right? So yes, I'm going to go ahead and Flash update this controller, guys. That is the right thing to do. Let me click here and let this computer update, and that's all I have, guys. I just wanted y'all to know that. All right.